So here we're going to add and subtract like terms. So before we add and subtract like terms, we're going to find the like terms, and I'm going to use a little bit of color to help. So here I have the 5x and another like term that has the same letter or same variable and the same power is this one right here. And notice I've got my squiggly line going all the way to include the negative. The other pair of like terms is the 2y and the positive 6y. So now when I combine them, I have to combine the ones that are the same. So in the first one is I'm going to do the pink ones. 5x minus 3x is 2x. And 2y plus 6y is 8y. So do a little bit of color to help yourselves, and notice that when I add and subtract, the power doesn't change. So the power is still the same. This is a little bit like adding 5 apples and subtracting 3 apples. You end up with 2 apples. That's kind of how you can think of it. So let's do another example. I'm going to first identify the like terms. Here I've got an a squared and a b, and here I've got an a squared and a b. And here I've got a negative 3ab, and here I've got an ab. And here I've got a kind of a loner, a b squared. So let's deal with this pink squigglies first. 2a squared b plus 2a squared b means I've got 4a squared b. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then let's deal with the ones with got the double line under it. So negative 3a minus 4a is negative 7ab. You can think about it on a number line. Negative 3, and I'm going to subtract 4. So I'm going to go to the left 4, which means up and negative 7. So that's where that negative 7 comes from. So I've dealt with most of it, and then I've got this loner here that stays on its own. Please add the like terms in these two questions and press pause while you work on the question. Right, so let's highlight all of the like terms, which in this case is all of the ones with the R. So there's an R here, and an R here, and an R here. And this one has a 1 in front, so 1R plus 2R is 3R, and 3R minus 5R is negative 2R. Oh, lost my little red squiggly there. All right, the next type are the R squares. So I've got R squared here and an R squared here. So negative 3R squared plus 6 is positive 3R squared. There we go. Let's do it again down here. We've got ABC and another ABC. And then the other like terms are an AB. And then this one is different again, which is BC. So we've got 4 different types of terms. The only ones we can add are the green ones. So the green ones, there's 6 plus 2 of them, so that means there's 8 ABCs, and the other 2 stay exactly the same. We can't add or subtract them.